Okay, you're going to be working on the Practice and Skills Workbook, page 105, problem number 10. It says find the missing exponent, and in this problem they've given us n to the third equals n, mystery, I think in your book it says a box here, times n to the negative third. And what they'd like you to do is they'd like you to figure out what this question mark is going to be. And again, in your book, it's a big box. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to actually use one of the properties we learned in class. And the property was the one that looks something like this. It was like x to the a times x to the b is the same thing as just going to x to the a plus b. Okay, and what that really means is that we can go ahead and we can just add up our exponents if our powers are being multiplied together. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let's pretend like this side over here is the equivalent to what we have over here, and this side over here is kind of what we want to have happen. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rewrite this as mystery plus negative 3. So it's this negative 3 right here. And remember what we want it equal to. We want it to be equal to 3. Okay, we want it to be equal to right here. So if we go ahead and we just solve that, kind of pretend like this is x plus a negative 3 equals 3. So what we can do is we can go ahead and we can add 3 to both sides. So let's add 3. And if we do that, we get an x over here on this side. On the right hand side, I get a 6. And we'd get x equal to 6. So what that means is if I went ahead and I put a 6 in here, right here, and let's see if that would work. If I went ahead and I did like n to the 6th times n to the negative third, and I added those together. I took the 6 plus a negative 3 to see whether or not you get a 3, and that's true, you would get a 3. So that would work out because you would end up getting your original 3 right here. Okay, so the missing information that you need is just going to be a 6. So we can either say box equal to 6 or mystery equal to 6 in this particular problem.